Hey there, everyone. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and finding ways to keep busy during these troubling times. Um, anyway, so I have a pretty cool old Sargent padlock here. This is a pin tumbler padlock, actually. It's a 6-pin Sargent. I think it's a 6-pin. It feels like a 6-pin. You don't normally see the standard pin tumblers with this logo. When you see these, it's normally the Sargent Kiso, the super hard dimple locks. But some of the old ones did have this logo and a pin tumbler design. As you can tell, this lock has lived quite a tough life. But I am glad that it is finally finding peace in my collection. Anyway, let me see if I can pick it open here for you real quick. Got a homemade offset hybrid pick here and a homemade tensioner that's about 40 thousandths. These can be opened in either direction, so I'm going to go ahead and try to pick it counterclockwise for you here. Let's see if I can do that for you real fast. Let's see what happens. Alright, there we are. Looks like it only has a locking pawl on this side, but these are still super difficult to shim. Even tried doing it through this hole and didn't really work out for me, but anyway, there you are. Neat old Sargent brass padlock. I love these super wide body padlocks. Anyway, stay safe out there all. Take care. Have a good one. Yep. Bye.